Let's take a look at job level needs analysis. The job level of a needs analysis is essentially the application of a job analysis to training and development. This level of needs analysis identifies what a person needs to know to succeed within a specific position. A good starting point for the job level needs analysis is a review of existing job documentation. There are two general approaches to a job analysis as it applies to training and development. The more common approach is a task-based job analysis, which focuses on the tasks that employees engage in as a part of doing their job. Tasks can be broken down into specific job elements or aggregated into duties or responsibilities. As part of a task-based analysis, the necessary KSAs required to be successful are identified. The competency-based job analysis approach, while used less frequently, may be more appropriate. This approach focuses more on the attributes that enable someone to be successful. Among the more common and generic competencies that an organization may look to develop are leadership and creativity. They easily span jobs, and employers often consider these factors when promoting individual employees. A competency-based approach for conducting a job-level needs analysis is particularly useful when you're focused on employee development as opposed to training. There are numerous options for conducting a job analysis depending on what type of analysis you're trying to conduct, task versus competency, and what type of information you're currently seeking. Archival methods are useful in terms of a starting point for any job level needs analysis. Archival sources are records that provide basic job description information that can be easily accessed. The preferred method for gathering this information is through interviews. Focus groups are used to gather information from multiple people at the same time. Traditionally, structured interviews are considered the most reliable and valid because all interviewees are asked a common set of questions. This facilitates aggregating and analyzing the data. But unstructured interviews can be useful because information is collected in real time, which allows a person conducting the interview to ask follow-up questions. Observation involves watching employees performing the job in question and then noting what each is doing. Questionnaires involve people responding to numerous questions about what and how they do their job. In addition to deciding how data will be collected, it's important to determine from whom you'll collect the information. More time will allow you to include more people. Also, the method of analysis will either facilitate large numbers, like questionnaires, or encourage fewer sources, like interviews and job logs. Job incumbents are a good source of information because they're the ones doing the job. However, the main concern here is the potential for a disconnect between what employees do and what they're supposed to do. If either managers or supervisors or job incumbents are excluded from the job analysis, there may be a problem with buy-in. Buy-in involves the extent that a person agrees with, supports, or implements a decision.